Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today we are looking at another problem in LeetCode which is easy but at the same time important for your interview preparation. So palindrome linked list. First of all, what is a linked list? A linked list is a linear collection of data elements whose order is not given by their physical placement in memory. Instead, each element points to the next element. It is a data structure which consists of a collection of nodes which all together represents a sequence. In simple words, a linked list consists of nodes where each node contains a data field and a link to the next node in the list. So this was brief about linked list. If you would like to know more about linked list, please let me know in the comment section so I can make a separate video on how to traverse a linked list and what are the uses of linked list. Okay. So let us look at the question. So given the head of a singly linked list, return true if it is a palindrome. So what is a palindrome? A palindrome is something which is the same if it is reversed. For an example, 1, 2, 2, 1. It is the same in the forward direction also and it is the same in the backward direction also. So we have to check whether the given linked list is a palindrome or not. So for this, you can go for actually two approaches. You can actually take all the elements of a linked list and add it to a string and check whether that string is a palindrome or not, or you can make it into a list and then you can check whether the list is a palindrome or not. So here I'm taking all the elements into a list. I'm converting the linked list to a simple linear list. This is because if I convert it to a string, then I have to convert all the values into a string individually because here are numbers given, and for list I do not need to do so. A list can work in case of a string also, in case of integers also, in case of other values also. But if you are specifically converting the linked list to a string, you need to convert all the values of all the nodes individually to a string. So I will be using a list here. So let us create a list L. Now I will traverse the linked list. So one point here that you should note, whenever you are traversing a linked list, you should always use a dummy head node. So I will create a dummy head node by the name of H. Now I will traverse the linked list and I will append all the elements of the linked list into this linear list L. So while H, L dot append value of H, which is H dot val, and H we will equal to H dot next, because we need to increase the nodes also. So we got the list, and at the last we just need to check if the list is a palindrome or not. This is a very simple thing in Python to do so. So I will return if the list is the same from the beginning and from the end. So I will return this. Let us check. True. Let us check for example test cases. Accepted. Now let us submit and check. Yeah, so it has been accepted. The runtime is 768 milliseconds and the memory uses 46.8 MB. The time complexity of this code will be order of n, obviously, because we are iterating through the linked list only once, and the space complexity will also be order of n because we are adding all the elements of a linked list to a linear list. So yeah, this was all about the question. I hope you understood it. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and comment. Thank you.